Start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Harshita Suresh Palkota Sharif. I am going to say few sentences on coronavirus. Hi. The 2019 novel coronavirus infection, also known as COVID-19. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze. Wash your hands using soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Common system can include fever, cough, and shortness breath. We must keep our body clean. We must not go outside. We must wear masks. It is very useful for us. If you meet with anyone, do not shake your hands. With your friend, say namaste or hello, hi. We have to drink warm water every day. If you are feeling you are not well, you should drink warm water or warm tea. What is COVID-19? CO means corona, I means virus,